What's going on YouTube? Meet the ECOVACS DEEBOT T50 Pro Omni and the big sibling T50 MAX Pro Omni. Both are loaded with next-gen cleaning tech, but they're built for very different homes. Now if you got a low furniture with hard floors, the T50 Pro Omni's ultra slim design is a game changer. If you're battling thick carpets and pet hair, the T50 MAX Pro Omni's blast suction and the SuperBoost battery were made for you. Now let's dive in and find out which one fits your home the best. Now the biggest difference is that the T50 Pro Omni is just 81mm tall and one of the slimmest robot vacuums ever. The T50 MAX Pro Omni is slightly taller, but it packs blast boosted large airflow suction technology, giving it a whopping 18,500 PA suction power. The T50 MAX Pro also features the SuperBoost battery of 6,400 mAh, meaning longer cleaning sessions and better durability even with all the power. Again, we're talking raw power here, starting with the T50 Pro Omni. It comes with the 15,000 PA suction. It effortlessly handles hard floors, whether it's your kitchen, hallway, living room. Now this vacuum devours dust, debris, and pet hair, leaving every surface spotless. Now the T50 MAX Pro delivers way more suction than typical robot vacuums. On carpets, it doesn't just skim surfaces. It pulls out dirt and pet hair deep from the fibers, giving you a level of clean that actually competes with handheld vacuums. Now, no more running a second vacuum over the same spot. Most robot vacuums struggle with power. If the suction is strong, the battery drains fast. But with the T50 MAX Pro, you don't have to choose between power and runtime. It can clean an entire home on a single charge, even if you don't have a large space or tons of pet hair to deal with. No more mid-cleaning recharges needed. And the result? Whether it's dirt, spills, or pet messes, the T50 MAX Pro Omni tackles it all, leaving carpets looking refreshed and spotless. Perfect for larger American homes with heavy carpet coverage. Now both models features the IV3D obstacle avoidance, meaning they recognize and dodge over 100 types of obstacles, from charging cables to socks and pet toys. The T50 MAX Pro Omni, with its slightly taller profile, handles U-shaped furniture legs more smoothly. The T50 Pro Omni, being lighter and slimmer, zips around obstacles faster, ideal for cluttered apartments. Now let's talk about the T50 Pro Omni's superpower, its slimness. At just 81mm thick, it cleans under furnitures other robots cannot touch. Now comparing this to the Saros 10R, the T50 Pro Omni is very close to the thinness, but its price $800 less. Compared to the older T30S, the T50 Pro has been completely redesigned, with better suction, smarter navigation, and ZeroTangle 2.0 brush. And as we've tested before, that ZeroTangle 2.0 brush is amazing. No more hair tangles. Now if you have low cribs, beds, and cabinets, this robot gets where others can't. No dust bunny left behind under your bed. Now maybe you're tired of digging hair out of the vacuum brushes. Now both models feature again the ZeroTangle 2.0, a V-shaped brush with removable comb teeth that actively prevents hair from wrapping. After cleaning synthetic hair and pet hair, the brush on both models stayed virtually tangle-free, meaning less maintenance for you. Now as you know, most robot vacuums struggle along baseboards, but not these two. Both robots have the True Edge 2.0, which uses 3D side brushes which extend 15mm into corners. It also has adaptive edge mopping which hugs walls without scuffing. Now the result is amazing because it's able to clean up to my baseboards super tight to the wall. It's able to clean super tight to my baseboards. Now both models feature the YIKO-GPT, a natural language voice assistant built directly into the vacuums. No apps, no digging for remotes, just talk to your vacuum and it responds instantly. Okay, Yiko.
At your service.
Start cleaning. Now the ECOVACS app is super intuitive as well. You can add in and start a new cleaning right here. You can change it to vac only, suction power, the water flow rate as well. You can do deep cleaning, standard, or a quick clean. Now with the station, what you can do here is empty the dustbin, wash the mop, or dry the mop. You can also add in the area name of your rooms. You can add in virtual boundaries. It also does multi-rooms if you want to add this to the second floor or the basement. Now both robots dock into the Omni station, which washes and dries the mop with 70 degrees hot water. It auto empties the dustbin as well and refills the water tank. All you need to do is set it up, forget it, and let the station handle the dirty work. You can also add in a cleaning solution and you can replace the dustbin in this area here. Now for heavy carpet homes, go with the T50 MAX PRO Omni. For low furniture and hard floors, the T50 Pro Omni wins. And if you just want a basic cleaning on a budget, check out the T30S. Now for those of you who are visual learners, the T50 MAX PRO Omni will cost about $1,000, which is the same price as the T30S Omni. But the T50 Pro Omni is a little bit cheaper at $800. It is also the smallest of the bunch at 8.1 centimeters. Both the new models has the higher capacity, but the superior one is the T50 MAX PRO Omni with the SuperBoost battery and 2.5 times longer lifespan. It also has the highest PA suction power with the blast technology at 18,500 PA. Both the new ones have the True Edge 2.0, which has the adaptive mop and the adaptive side brush, while the T30S only has the adaptive mop. The two new ones also has the IV 3.0, which has the RGB camera plus the structure light, while the old T30S only has the structure light, and it's a top mounted LiDAR. That's why it's higher than the T50 MAX PRO Omni. All of them has the YIKO assistant, but the two new ones has the YIKO-GPT, which support text and voice command. The two new ones also has the ZeroTangle 2.0, detachable comb, and the V-shaped brush, which we tested earlier, and it gets rid of hair tangles. The auto refill is on all of them. The auto cleaning solution is only on the new T50 MAX Pro and the Pro Omni. Now all of them has the self-emptying for 90 days with a 3-liter dust bag, and the hot water mop washing is slightly better on the new T50s. And the hot air drying on the T50 MAX PRO Omni is at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, the T50 Pro Omni is only at 113 Fahrenheit, same with the T30S. And it's also self-cleaning for the mop washing tray for the two new ones, and the T30S Omni doesn't have that. Now everything will be linked down in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link and it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. And let me know in the comments which one is the best for you. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!